Good morning, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. It's Uncle Tony coming at you live. We're down here in Hickory, North Carolina to start a brand new sand and refinish. My good buddies, Snap Homes, Jacob and Kimberly, referred us to this job. They just built a beautiful addition right here, you can see. And I'll take you inside, I'll show you what they did. And we're gonna be installing new hardwood floor to match the rest of the house. It's a 4-inch red oak, solid floor. And we're gonna be weaving it in, lacing it in, and then sand and refinishing everything to match natural. And it's gonna be a beautiful transformation. So we thank Jacob and Kimberly for referring us. But we're here today to get it started. It's a beautiful spot right on the water. Here goes the Good House Mobile. I'll take you inside, show you what we're up against, and we're gonna get started, so stick around. We're doing this install on this new addition, lacing it into the existing 4-inch red oak, and we'll be sanding, refinishing everything else downstairs. Jason got his haircut, getting ready to go in the Army. And that's it. All right, stick around. We are sanding this beautiful 4-inch red oak floors. Got my sample choices down for my client. And she chose the lighter of the two. Keep it as light as possible. And we're installing out in the new addition, lacing it in here. We still have the dining room yet to go to rough off. Alright guys, welcome to day 2. Got everything installed yesterday. Got everything rough cut, basically. We're on our way, moving up in grit on day 2. Alrighty guys, we are trowel fill. We're only trowel fill on new installs. We do not trowel fill or fill existing hardwood floors because of expansion and contraction. But we do go ahead and fill new installs because of slight mill imperfections. Anywho, that's what we're up to. We got everything rough cut. Moving up in sequence. This job is coming out fantastic. Alrighty guys, we are getting a sealer down. Look how good these floors are turning out today. Here is the results of the final coat. Beautiful. The new addition looks fantastic for their beautiful view. Once again, as always, thanks for watching.